good morning everyone. Today we will start new topic, linear inequation, your exercise 8.3. In this first, our topic is inequalities. Before that, you already done in your exercise like left hand side is equal to right hand side. So if in your equation equal size changes to either greater than sign, either less than sign, greater than equal to sign, or less than equal to sign between the left side and right side, so that equation we call it linear inequation. Like if x is greater than 12, x is greater than equal to 12, x is less than 12, then x is less than equal to 12. So if your equation is of these any of the four types, that we call it linear inequations. So in this linear equations, you have to basically concentrate on greater than. Greater than means 12 is not included, and greater than 12 all value will be considered as your x value. If it is written greater than equal to means 12 is also included, and greater than 12, next all values is included in the x also. X less than 12, all values less than 12 is included but not 12. X less than equal to 12 means 12 is also included and all value less than 12 included, but greater than 12 values are not included under this. So that is the inequalities. Okay, so when equation write in this form like x greater than 12, so that means x is greater than 12, so that we call it a proper inequation form. These are the inequality sign: greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. But if you write the equation in this form, so that we call it linear inequations. So that is a linear inequations. Next is replacement set. So what is replacement set? Generally you already done in such chapter universal set, where in the some data we are doing some experiment and our some quantities given to us we consider as universal set. Here in this linear equation we call universal set as replacement set, from where we have to choose the value to represent the solution of the equations. So if it is written that like x is less than equal to 4, then x belongs to n. N means capital N means natural numbers. Natural numbers starting from 1 and moves up to infinity. If it is written x less than equal to 4, that means less than 4. 4 is also included. So less than 4, all value will be included, but from the universal set of the natural number. So in this case, if it is written x belongs to n, that means n is our replacement set, n is our universal set, and according to that, if we have to write the solution set, that means x is equal to natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. If we have condition is x less than equal to 4, then only 1, 2, 3, 4 will be included as the solution set of the x. That represent as x. X is a member of any set and x value is considered as less than equal to 4, and if condition is x belongs to natural number, your value will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if it is same is written x less than 4, but it is written x belongs to whole number starting from 0. So in that case, your solution set of x will be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is written x belongs to integer that represent I or z, so if same value is given x less than equal to 4, so in that case your solution set will be all your negative numbers will be included in that. 0, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 also included. So that means minus infinity, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your solution set will be like that according to the universal set. If it is written as I or z here, because I or z both symbol represent as integer, both negative and positive integer. But if it is a symbol of q, like here x belongs to q, q means your fractional number or rational numbers in form of p by q form. So in that case we not consider as 0 because sorry, here if it is a fractional number, like here will be 4 by something p upon q form, so all fractional number will also included in that, that will be less than equal to 4. Okay, but remember one thing, 0 should not be in the denominator under the 4 when you are writing the fraction, all fraction less than 4. Next is a solution set or truth set. Solution set or truth set is when you have any equation is there, you have to find the x value. After finding the x value, you convert this into the tabular form or like whatever number included in the x, that we call it a solution set. So here are some properties of the inequations. So here some properties of inequations. So here only if I write x less than equal to 4, in place of this, if I have an equation like 2x plus 3 less than equal to 7. 2x plus 3 less than equal to 7 means you have to find the x value. Like in your previous exercise, you solve the equation left side right side when equal is between the left side and right side sign is there. But here in place of equal, if I have less than equal to 7. Okay, we solve the equation like that, but we have to write the step one by one. So we solve this equation by two ways, either in elimination method, so either in transposition method, but that not used in inequality equation, but your method is same in this. Like here if I have 2x plus 3 less than equal to 7, 2x plus 3 less than equal to 7, so first I have to remove 3 from that, so you will write like that, plus 3 minus 3, 7 minus 3, like same in elimination method whatever you do, because we can't directly transpose in this because in between sign is inequality sign, so we go with the elimination method. So here 2x less than 7 minus 3 is 4. Then again when now you have to remove this 2, then you have to divide both sides by 2 to remove 2, 4 by 2, so that is x less than equal to 2. So that is your x less than equal to 2 when you write this in the tabular form, that is your solution set. Same in this way. Another way is that if you not want to write like that, like subtract 3, like divide by 2, so what you do, you go with whatever you already done in transposition method, like when you shift 3 on another side, sign will be changed, but here you have to write in this step subtract 3 like in elimination method. So when 3 moves it here, that gives you minus 3, so that gives you subtract 3. So whatever sign is here, if there is a multiply sign, you have to write multiply 3. After shifting, if there is a division sign, you have to write the divide. If there is a positive sign, you have to write the add 3. But here when I shift this one, sign will be changed, so here will be subtract 3. So this is 2x less than equal to 4. Like here when you directly divide by this, like cross multiplications, you have to mention this here, divide by 2. Ultimately question is that doing such a long process of elimination method, you can directly do like a transportation method of your linear equation that we just earlier, but each and every step you have to write the step like that. So x is less than equal to 4, that gives you solution set. Now properties of inequality is like that, if your suppose if I have the equation x plus 8 less than equal to 20, so when 8 shift on another side, so that will be x less than equal to 12. Simple way, if you are going to add or subtract any term either in the left side either in the right side, and like in both sides to balance the equation, so this inequality sign will not be changed. Similarly, if you multiply or divide with the positive number in both the sides, in that also your inequality sign will not be changed. Only in there are three cases your inequality sign is changed: when you are either multiply with the negative sign or divide with the negative sign, any number with negative sign, your inequality sign will be changed. If it is less than, it changes to greater than. If it is greater than, it changes to less than. Or either you swap the terms, that case also your inequality sign is changed. Only three cases your inequality sign is changed: when you multiply both sides with the negative number or divide with the negative number, your inequality sign is changed. Greater than, if it is greater than, changes to less than, and if it is already less than, that changes to greater than. But in another cases, if you are going to add, subtract or multiply with the positive number, your inequality sign will not be changed. Actually, addition, multiplication, division, multiply with the negative and divide with the negative number, that are all the concepts of your elimination method. So instead of writing elimination method, if I go directly, so that means if I multiply here, like here if I divide, suppose here will be a negative number. If there will be a negative number, if you divide by the negative number, this inequality sign will be changed. Or if you multiply with the negative number, this inequality sign will also be changed. Or either you swap with each other, left side with right side, in that case also inequality sign is that is changed. If it is less than, changes to greater than, and greater than changes to less than. But another case is when you are going to add, subtract or divide with the positive number, your inequality sign will not be changed. So here I am discussing some question. And one thing remember, if you are going to represent the graphical representation of the inequation, suppose I got the solution as x less than 1. X less than 1 means 1 is not included. So x less than 1 means all values less than 1 will be included in this solution set, but 1 is not included. Then how you represent on a number line? You mark a number line like integer number lines, 0, 1, -1. So your line moves to this direction, your left direction here, and here from above 1. So you can't stop like that. You have to mark with the point here also, like 1, and it goes endless up to infinity. And here that mark with the open circle. Open circle shows that that particular number is not included, and dark circle shows that if you fill the circle with the color, that means that number is included. Like here, if it is written like 3 less than equal to x less than 5, that means x value lies between 3 and 5. And if there is inequality sign between 3 and x, that is less than equal to, that means 3 is included, and here equal to sign is not there, that means 5 is not included. That means x lies between 3 and 5, and 5 will be shows as open circle and 3 will be shows as dark circle. Remember one thing, when you are going to show the circle, connect this point also. If you just leave at the above as that and not connect on the number line with that point, then your solution set will not be considered. To show properly your open circle or closed circle, you mark here directly on this line, or you can dark a line here also. So if it is written like x is greater than equal to 7, so that means all values 7 is also included, greater than 7 is included in this number line. Starting from 7, move to the right side with the arrow line, and this 7 will be shown with the dark circle, shows that 7 is included in the circle. This way you have to represent all your solution set of x on the integer number line. Always we shows on the integer number line. Here I am discussing some questions of your x.3 exercise here. So in this, like your first question, find the solution set of each of the inequation if replacement set is the whole number. Replacement set means if I have the universal set is a whole number starting from 0 and move till infinity. If I have the solution set is x less than 4, that means less than 4 all values included, but from the universal set of the whole number. whole number universal set is starting from 0. In that case, our solution set be starting from 0. 4 is not included. 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, y less than equal to 10 means all values from 0 to 12 will be included. K value 0 to 8. 0 is not included. 8 is included in the whole number universal set. So that means in this 1 to 8 all value will be included. If there is x minus 1 greater than equal to minus 3, so when one shift to another side, sign will be changed, and I have to write here add 1. Then x is greater than equal to minus 2, that means greater than equal to minus 2, more than greater than minus 2, all values shown in the universal set of the whole number, all value will included, and minus 2 minus 1 not comes under whole number, so it's starting from 0 till infinity. Similarly, x plus 3 greater than 0 give me x greater than minus 3, your value starting from 0 till infinity. Here when you solve 12 minus 3x greater than equal to 6, 3x shift to another side, that will be positive. You have to write add 3x, because whatever sign after shifting here shows, you have to mention on the bracket here. Now here 12 minus 6, when 6 shift on this side minus 6, then you have to write subtract 6. 6 greater than equal to 3x. Now when you divide both sides by 3, so 6 by 3 gives you 2 greater than equal to x, but when you swap left side with right side, that become x is less than equal to 2, because when you swap with each other, your inequality sign will be changed, and starting from 0 till 2 all value will be your in the tabular form of the solution set. Similarly, 3x plus 7 greater than equal to 19 gives you x greater than equal to 4, starting from 4 till infinity, your solution set. 7 less than 2x plus 5, when 5 shift on this side, 7 minus 5 less than 2x, and 2 divided by 2 gives me x greater than 1. When you swap left side with right side, inequality sign will be changed, and your solution set is greater than 1. That means 1 is not included, so that will be 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Now if you have, like in your question number 2, if you have particular solution set, universal set is given to you, that minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3, so that means now my universal set is only this one, and I have to find a solution set from this set. So if I have like x plus 4 greater than 6, so when 4 shift on the right side, sign will be changed, so I mentioned it here, subtract 4, 6 minus 4 give me 2, that means x greater than 2. So when I'm going to write the solution set, so I will see in my universal set which is mentioned in my question, so how many values are there that represent as greater than 2 under this universal set. So only one value, so that is 3 is my solution set. Similarly, 2y minus 4 less than equal to minus 2, when you solve that one, y value gives me less than equal to 1. So less than equal to 1, if I check with the universal set here, minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1, 2 is not included because value is less than equal to 1. Minus 3 to 1 will be considered as your solution set. Next is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 x minus 1 less than 1. When 1 shift on this side, so that will be add 1. Now 4 by 3 x less than 2. Now you have to multiply 3 on both sides. So that give you 4x less than 6. Now you have to remove this 4. Divide by 4 on both sides. So x less than equal to 3 by 2, that means 1.5. So if 1.5 is there, but if we check with the universal set, there is no 1.5, there is only 1 is there. So minus 3 to 1, 1 is included, so minus 3 to 1 will be my solution set. Similarly, 5x minus 5 less than x plus 7. So when you solve this one, I get x value less than 3. So all values not included 3, that is minus 3 to 2 from my universal set will be considered as my solution set of this equation. Now here, if how you represent the solution set on the number line of the following inequalities. First, you have to solve this one, try to find the value x, and if whatever mention your universal set is there, you try to find the solution and represent that solution on the number line. Suppose I have a question 20 minus 8x less than 4. When I solve this one and here x belongs to I, this shows that my universal set for this equation is integer set. So here first I will shift 4 here, like 20 minus 4 less than, and 8x shift on the right side, that sign will be changes. So I can directly mention here add 8x then subtract 4. So 20 minus 4 give me 16 less than 8x. So now I divide. If you go with a cross multiply, that is 16 by 8, but ultimately we can't write here cross multiply, we just write here divide by 8. So that is understood that both sides will be divided by 8. So here 8 2s are 16, so that means 2 less than x. So when you swap the left side with right, that will be x is greater than 2. Now when you are going to represent this x is greater than 2 on the number line, first if you write the solution set of this, so solution set is your universal set is integer. That means if 2 is not included, because this is greater than, not equal to sign is show it here, so your solution set will 3 4 up to infinity. When you're going to represent this 3 to infinity on the number line, you have to first draw the line here, like I will draw it here. So I will write basically I will draw the common line here, so it will be easier for you. So when you draw the line, so by marking the 1 centimeter distance, you can mark the point here. Like if I have to show x is greater than 2, so that means this is 0. So when you take like either 1 centimeter, it's up to you how much distance want to show it here, like 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 up to this is infinity. So that means if it is show greater than 2, so greater than 2 means 2 is not included, 3 is included. So you show with the open circle here and darker the line like this up to infinity and mark the point here. Similarly, your B part is if you show 6x plus 6 greater than 6, 6x, when 6 moves on other side, 6 minus 6 will be 0, then x greater than 0. Now here that shows that x greater than 0. So that means your solution set, because if your universal set is a whole number, 0 is not included. So according to that, your solutions are starting from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. When you are going to represent this 1, 2, 3 to infinity, so in the same number line, if I show this B also, so 1 is included, so I dark it here 1, and that is also move on. I can show also this way, so up to infinity. So that starts 0, 1 is included. So if any number is not included, you show with the open circle. Similarly here minus 4x plus 5 less than 21. So when you solve this one, so minus 4x, first 5 move on the other side, minus 5 plus 21, that is subtract 5. So here minus 4x minus 5 plus 21 give me 16. Now if you look at this, this is negative of 4. That means you want to remove minus from this, that is multiply with the variable. So when we divide with the negative number, this inequality sign will be changed. So that means when we divide with this minus 4, both sides, so this less than sign changes to greater than. Inequality sign will be changed. So that will be x is greater than minus 4. So in that case, your solution set will be, because your universal set is the natural number, so natural number starting from 1. So we don't consider negative number, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, other value, but we consider the number starting from 1, because our universal set is the natural number, like 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, because it shows that x is greater than minus 4. So here similarly 8a plus 4 and 5a plus 16. So that is 8a minus 5a less than 16 minus 4. Subtract 5a and subtract 4 on both sides. So 8a minus 5a give me 3a less than 12. When divide by 3, that gives me 4. Divide by 3. So a is less than 4. So when you represent this on the number line a less than 4, that means all, because your universal set is an integer, depend upon the universal set you have to write the solution set. So all your negative numbers are from infinity, minus infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not included because this is only less than. So when you show these two numbers on the number line, so you have to draw the line like that. Okay, so I will show both numbers on same number line like that. If I draw this one, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this will be infinity. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus 20. If I represent as greater than minus 4, so this is a only natural number, but doesn't matter, your universal set is whole number, natural number, but you have to represent the solution set always on the integer number line. But this universal set shows that which type of number you have to include it in the solution set. If it is greater than minus 4, but according to the universal set, our solution set is 1, 2, 3 up to infinity is included. That means starting from here, so you darker the line on the right side, so that will your number line for the solution of the C part. Now if you go with the D part also, that is less than 4. Less than 4 means 4 is not included, 3 is included, or you can mark also for it here with the open circle. You can also show like that, touch with that point with open circle. So this is open circle, 4 is not included, and make a line to the left side up to infinity. So this shows your D part. So here 4 is not included, 4 shows as open circle, or if you want to draw from the 3, so 3 will be shows a darker circle and move to the left side line till endless, no end will be there. Next is if you have the equations like minus 8 less than equal to 1 minus 3x minus 2 less than equal to 13, and your universal set is x belongs to natural number. So how you will solve this type of question? अगर आपको यहाँ पे 3 इक्वेशंस इस तरह से दी गई हो, कंबाइन एक ही लाइन में हो, तो आपने सबसे पहले इन इक्वेशन को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. सबसे पहले ये वाली दोनों फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट को आपने सेपरेट करना है, और उसके बाद ये दोनों वाली को फर्स्ट सेपरेट करके आपने इनको 2 पार्ट्स में अलग अलग इक्वेशन, बिकॉज जब तक मेरे पास लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड होगी तभी मैं इसको सॉल्व करूँगी. 3 साइड साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व नहीं करते, क्योंकि हमें कॉमन x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे जनरेट करनी है. तो यहाँ पे -8 सबसे पहले हम सेपरेट करेंगे. -8 लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 3 x माइनस 2. ये जो मिडल वैल्यू है इसके साथ भी सेट इक्वेशन बनाएगी, और ये वाली मिडल वैल्यू थर्ड वाली टर्म के साथ भी इक्वेशन बनाएगी. 1 माइनस 3 x माइनस 2 लेस देन इक्वल टू 13. नाउ यू हैव टू ओपन इन दोनों इक्वेशन को, जैसे हमने अभी पीछे नॉर्मल इक्वेशन की तरह सॉल्व किया है वैसे ही हम सॉल्व करेंगे. देन वी चेक व्हाट विल बी आवर x वैल्यू. लाइक हियर व्हेन आई सॉल्व दिस वन, फर्स्ट आई विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट. 1 माइनस 3x प्लस 6, 1 माइनस 3x प्लस 6 लेस देन इक्वल टू 13. -8 लेस देन इज इक्वल टू 7 माइनस 3x, minus 3x plus 7 less than equal to 13. Now I need x term only on one side. So 3x when shift on here, 3x less than equal to 7 plus 8. So that is add 3x and 8. Here also keep minus 3x as it is. Then 13 minus 7. Subtract 7 here. So here 3x less than is equal to 7 plus 8 is 15. When divide by 3, 15 by 3 gives me 5. X is less than equal to 5. So divide by 3. You have to mention the step, what you have to do in this step. So x is less than equal to 5. Or when you solve this one, minus 3x less than is equal to 13 minus 7. That gives me minus 3x less than is equal to 6. Now you have to remove this minus 3. अब आपको माइनस 3 को रिमूव करना है, तो माइनस 3 से आप दोनों टर्म्स को डिवाइड करोगे, और जैसे ही आपने नेगेटिव नंबर से डिवाइड किया तो ये जो आपका इनइक्वालिटी साइन है वो चेंज हो जाएगा, ऑपोजिट साइन हो जाएगा. सो दैट मीन्स x इज ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल टू 6 बाय माइनस 3. देन डिवाइड बाय माइनस 3. So that give me x is greater than equal to minus 2. अब आपके पास दो x की वैल्यू आई, x greater than equal to minus 2, x less than equal to 5. That means x की वैल्यू minus 2 से तो बड़ी होनी चाहिए बट 5 से छोटी होनी चाहिए. तो अगर मैं इसको एक नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करूँगी, सबसे पहले तो मैंने इसको नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना. आई ड्रॉ द लाइन लाइक दैट. माइनस 2 और 5 तक मुझे नंबर चाहिए इसमें इंटीजर नंबर लाइन पे, लाइक हियर -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. -2 इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड, 5 इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड. तो -2 को मैंने भी डार्क किया, 5 को डार्क किया, और यहाँ पे आपने एक लाइन ड्रॉ करके इन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर देना. ये शो कर रहा है कि मेरा नंबर लाइन में जो x की वैल्यू है -2 से लेके 5 तक सब इंक्लूडेड है. अब इसका मुझे सोल्यूशन सेट भी लिखना है. इसका सोल्यूशन सेट ये आएगा कि मुझे x सेंटर में चाहिए, और लोअर वैल्यू हमेशा हम लेफ्ट साइड पे लिखते हैं, हायर वैल्यू राइट साइड पे लिखते हैं. तो जैसे आपका यहाँ पे है x ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल टू -2, तो अगर मैं इसको सॉल्व करूँगी, x ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल टू -2, आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट -2 लेस दैन इक्वल टू x. और एक मेरी और टर्म थी एंड x लेस दैन इक्वल टू 5. अब x मिडल में आ गया, तो इसको कंबाइन करके आप सोल्यूशन सेट लिख सकते हो, -2 लेस दैन इक्वल टू x लेस दैन इक्वल टू 5. सो दैट इज माई रिक्वायर्ड सोल्यूशन सेट. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन इज ऑल्सो सेम टाइप, your B part, question number 4, B part here. So इसको भी हम यहाँ से पहले इन दोनों को सेपरेट करेंगे. 2x minus 1 लेस देन इक्वल टू 4, 4 लेस देन इक्वल टू, मिडल टर्म दोनों टर्म के साथ इक्वेशन बनाएगी, फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म के साथ. 4 लेस देन इक्वल टू x plus 3. Now when you solve that one, so 2x less than is equal to 4 plus 1, add 1. So 2x less than equal to 5, and divide by 2, x is less than equal to 2.5. So here also when you solve that one, 4 minus 3 less than equal to x, subtract 3, 1 less than equal to x. So that means अगर if 1 is less than equal to x and x is less than equal to 2.5, तो अगर आप यहाँ पे 1 less than equal to x लिख रहे हो, that means x is greater than equal to 1. अगर आप इनको स्वैप करोगे तो आपकी ये वाली वैल्यू आ जाएगी. बट अगर आपका एक कॉमन साइन है तो x मिडल में वैल्यू आएगी कि x की वैल्यू 1 से तो बड़ी होनी चाहिए बट 2.5 से कम होनी चाहिए. तो उस कंडीशन पे आपका जो सोल्यूशन सेट बन रहा है, इन दोनों को कंबाइन करें जिसमें x मिडल में आ रहा है, 1 लेस देन इक्वल टू x लेस देन इक्वल टू 2.5. जब इस टाइप की 3 इक्वेशंस कंबाइन होती हैं तो हम उनको पहले फर्स्ट और सेकंड जो मिडल टर्म के साथ एक इक्वेशन बन रही है, सेकंड इक्वेशन मिडल एंड थर्ड टर्म के साथ कंबाइन करके जो आपकी 2x की वैल्यू आ रही है, तो आपने एक कॉमन x की वैल्यू को जनरेट करना है कि x की वैल्यू कौन सी ऐसी टर्म के बीच में लाई कर रही है जो कॉमन वैल्यूज़ हैं. 1 से लेके 2.5 तक 1 भी इंक्लूडेड है, 2.5 भी इंक्लूडेड है. अगर आप इसको अभी नंबर लाइन पे प्रेजेंट करोगे, यहाँ पर जैसे आपने नंबर लाइन पे प्रेजेंट किया, सो दैट विल बी 0. सो -1, 1, 2 and 3. 2.5 is here, middle between 2 and 3. 1 is also included. You can also show with darker only this line or either show this way. Next is your C part. Here 7. Similarly, same method we go with here. From the middle term we can make two equation from first and second equation and second and third equation. x minus 3 greater than minus 4. पहले इन दोनों से आपने एक इक्वेशन जनरेट करनी है और मिडिल टर्म से थर्ड टर्म के बीच में भी आपने इक्वेशन जनरेट करनी है. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 7 प्लस 3 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू एक्स. माइनस 3 को उधर शिफ्ट किया प्लस 3. देन यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट हियर ऐड 3. 10 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू एक्स. x greater than equal to minus 4 plus 3. Add 3. X is greater than equal to minus 1. Here when you swap the value here, that will be x is less than equal to 10. एक आपकी वैल्यू आ गई लेस देन इक्वल टू 10. अनदर वैल्यू आ गई आपकी x is greater than equal to minus 1. तो अगर मुझे x कॉमन लेना है, एक कॉमन वैल्यू बीच में लेनी है, तो जैसे यहाँ पे आ रहा है आपका x लेस देन इक्वल टू 10. अगर मुझे यहाँ पे लेस देन साइन लेना है तो इसको जब सॉल्व करेंगे माइनस 1 लेस देन x. जैसे ही आपका साइन सेम हो जाता है दैट मीन्स x की वैल्यू माइनस 1 और 10 के बीच में लाई कर रही है. माइनस 1 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है बट 10 इंक्लूडेड है. तो उस कंडीशन में जो आपका सोल्यूशन सेट बनेगा माइनस 1 लेस देन x लेस देन इक्वल टू 10. और जब आप उसको एक नंबर लाइन पे प्रेजेंट करोगे, जैसे मुझे नंबर लाइन पे प्रेजेंट करना है 0 minus 1 1 2 3 up to 10. 10 also included 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Minus 1 is not included, we show with the open circle. 10 included, 10 show with the dark circle with the color and you can darker the line between that. ये शो कर रहा है कि माइनस 1 और 10 से लेके इसके बीच में जितनी वैल्यूज़ आ रही हैं हम कोई भी वैल्यू x के सोल्यूशन सेट में ले सकते हैं. या टेबुलर फॉर्म में अगर शो करेंगे तो 0 से लेकर 10 तक सारी वैल्यू इन टेबुलर फॉर्म इस सोल्यूशन सेट के अंडर हो. नेक्स्ट है आपका फ्रैक्शन 4/5 लेस देन इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 7/2. तो दैट इज, अब इसको आपने जब सेपरेट किया इसी तरह से फर्स्ट और सेकंड टर्म 4/5 लेस देन इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 7/2. x प्लस 7/2 लेस देन इज इक्वल टू 7/4. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, जनरली हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बट हम यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई नहीं लिखेंगे. जो टर्म हमने मल्टीप्लाई की है बस उसको मेंशन कर देना है. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 and 5. और हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि 5 और 2 का एलसीएम लेके एलसीएम से भी हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन लिख सकते हैं. देन 4 x प्लस 7 लेस देन इज इक्वल टू 7 इंटू 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 and 4. और 2 and 4 का एलसीएम 8 भी ले सकते हैं और यहाँ 4 भी ले सकते हैं कि डायरेक्टली 4 से ही मल्टीप्लाई किया हमने दोनों साइड पे. दैट विल बी 4 into 2 8 less than is equal to 5x plus 35. Then 8 minus 35 less than is equal to 5x. Then we write it here, subtract 35. Then 8 minus 35 minus 27 less than is equal to 5x minus 27 divided by 5 less than equal to x. Then minus 5.4 less than equal to x. Now when I solve the other side also, so that gives me 4x plus 28 less than equal to 14. 4x less than is equal to 14 minus 28. Subtract 28. So 4x less than is equal to minus 14. Now divide by 4. Divide by 4. So that give me minus 3.5. 3.5. So that shows that x value lies between minus 5.4 and minus 3.5. So when I write it combined, solution set become minus 5.4 less than equal to x less than equal to minus 3.5. That means -5 is also included and -3 -5.4 because -5 के बाद की वैल्यू है, -5 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, -3.5 यहाँ पे -3 भी इंक्लूडेड है बट हम यहाँ पे -4 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है। तो जब आप इसको एक नंबर लाइन पे प्रेजेंट करोगे, जैसे ही मैंने यहाँ पे एक नंबर लाइन पे इसको प्रेजेंट किया, so that becomes 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5। अब -5.4 तो आपका यहाँ पे आ रहा है और -3.5 तो यहाँ पे, जब इसको मूव कर -3.5 इज हियर एंड -5.4 इज हियर। सपोज यहाँ पे आपका -5.4 है और 3.5 यहाँ पे है, तो -3 ऐसी कंडीशन पे जो -3 है वो इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, यहाँ पे -5 इंक्लूडेड है। तो हम इसको ऐसे भी शो करते हैं, -5 से नेक्स्ट वैल्यू जब हम लेफ्ट साइड पे मूव करेंगे तो -6 आ रही है, तो हम इनको ओपन सर्कल में भी शो कर सकते हैं, -6 ओपन सर्कल बिकॉज -6 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, -5 इंक्लूडेड है और यहाँ पे -3 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, -3.5 इंक्लूडेड है, तो यहाँ पे -3 भी एक ओपन सर्कल में आ जाएगा। Then you have to join these two open circles, or you can write this solution set as -6 if you are writing properly integer form, -6 less than x less than, because -3.5 included है, -3 included नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे less than -3। You can also write this way, -6 less than x less than -3। Thank you, have a nice day.